Assalamualaikum guys, this is me Raja Vijay.
This is Kate Rattle.
So finally we are going to the
Where?
Karachi. Yeah.
Ay, adventure na tayo. Adventure begins. So, magte-train kami. We're gonna be riding the train. We were delayed for 2 days because like I think it's always fully booked, na babe?
Yeah, it's all booked.
It's all booked, so we were delayed in Islamabad for 2 days. But yeah, today is the day we are finally going to the train station. Karachi, yes, train station. How much is the train, babe? He was the one who booked the ticket and arranged everything. So how much is it?
Maybe 9,000
For 2, na?
for 2.
Sleeper?
Only ticket, yes, sleeper.
Her first choice was like business class.
Yeah. No,
But-
no,
Yes, we want the business class, but there's no available, right?
there's no available.
Yeah.
But
They only have
We
the, I
booked
think,
the
economic. But
economic
sleeper.
class, sleeper. Yeah. We go together. Then we do much enjoying. I tell you all something about
Babe, tell them that
enjoyment.
you grew up in Karachi.
Yeah, I'm too much excited. I show you our place in Karachi. How is the Karachi? Everybody saw before we
Kahawak siya.
are living
So
in
talaga tamaga na
Karachi.
ta.
Maybe 10 years
Yeah.
before.
So yeah,
So now,
I'm excited.
so now I'm in Islamabad here together. Babe, let me pray first, okay?
Go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I pray to my God, Allah, please accept my conversation. And we are too much struggling and successful me. Inshallah, we all spend life together. Inshallah, we enjoying our moment, future. We decide for future. In future, we too much happy, enjoying safety, caring.
Yeah, travels.
Travels with together.
Safe.
Inshallah, safe traveling together. Inshallah. And, I tell you all something about Karachi. Yeah. Inshallah, Allah Ta'ala dua हमारी कबूल फरमाए. Amin. So tell him you are excited now. You go to the Karachi.
Yeah, I am. I'm really excited because when we were talking about Karachi, then Wasser told me nga na he grew up there, like he spent 10 years in Karachi. So we will be, just enjoy the place literally and see what Karachi can offer. I know that a lot of you guys have been waiting for me to go to Karachi, and this is really, really is it. And so let's go. Tara na, simulan na natin to.
Yeah.
Simulan na ang Kate Rattle with Jose. Finally traveling with someone. Baby na.
Yeah. So much.
Let's go! Did you check the train? The number?
Yeah.
First? Okay.
40 number is 40 Yeah, this is seat number.
Ano?
Yeah, sleeping seat number.
Sleeping together.
Yeah, together.
How many hours?
Oh my God, entry.
Oh yeah.
Too much hot there.
Oo nga pala. Why everybody, just to let you know, this is gonna be like one of the longest, my longest train travel, it's about 28
hours.
Malala, mommy, 28 hours
I'm
to.
scared.
Takot siya. Ako din sabi ko, pero we can do it together.
Yeah,
Inshallah.
inshallah.
This is a train station, babe.
We are from the railway station.
Ganda naman. This is beautiful.
Come to the
Travel.
railway station.
Wait, everybody, it's my first time here. What about you, babe? First time or no?
Yeah, it's kind of.
Also?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, good to this. So it's both our... Ang ganda naman yun. Parang Harry Potter. Perfect. I love that. Ganda. Tapos babe say ganda.
Ganda.
But ganda means in Urdu, dirty.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, it means beautiful. Hi everybody, so we have arrived. Ayan na.
Right.
You go up first, babe. Okay, dumating na kami. Ayan na, tara. Let's go.
Let's go.
Sarap mag-travel ng may kasama. Alam mo yung feeling na finally someone is... Babe, I bring this na. Just put it down. It's okay. We will clean it later. Alam mo yung feeling na yung hindi mo na cargo lahat. So it feels good. I like that. Ganda. Babe. And then one more bag in the front. Diba? Ganyan. Perks of traveling with
Guys,
someone.
it's not easy, okay? It's
Ha?
too much hard work.
It's too much hard work.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe. Thank you. Appreciate ko talaga. My God. May naisip ko talaga minsan, ba't hindi ko ito ginawa dati? Siguro talaga, time will come. Diba? If it's meant to be, then it's meant to be. Yung hindi mo pinipilit, yung nagkukusa. So, doon tayo sa nagkukusa. Maramdaman mo naman kapag tama na yung tao. Ang aga ko magdrama. Sorry naman, na-appreciate ko siya at the moment.
Chick.
Babe, thank you.
Thank you.
Hoy, alam niyo ba, mag-ano yung bag ko? May bag is a little lighter. Kasi yung 50% na kay Ozerla sa bag niya. And we decided to bring, just few clothes. Share lang kami sa clothes. Para hindi na magastos sa, sa space sa bag. So we can put more clothes na. So ayun, a reality of traveling. Pack!
Yeah.
Welcome to Rawalpindi Trail Station. Let's go. Pack. Ito na siya. Maatake na. Again. Hoy, malinis sa gamit yan si Usair. Konting alikabok, naglilinis yan ng bag. Alam nyo ba? Yes, and then there. Yesterday. Oh, once more.
Yesterday, once more.
Hoy, this is our first talagang adventure. Tapos na kami sa mga dating na yan. Labanan na, simula na ng mga backpacker. Simula na ng mga backpacking. Babe, look at me. Same mo. Backpacker na siya. Heavy, babe. Ek minute.
So, finally
starting.
Oh.
Alam niyo ba yung laman ng bag ni Oser?
finally, we
Yung
are
Nike na yon.
Starting.
Pagkain lahat yan.
Travel.
Babe, you ready?
hard.
Let's go.
Yeah,
You
let's
ready?
go, yes.
Yes.
I'm also ready now.
Let's go. Saya. Excited na ako. Uy, magti-train kami. Laban tayo sa train, babe. Let's go. Chalo.
Chalo, chalte hain.
Sleeping? Oh, kita nyo? May pagka-OC siya sa alikabok. Alam nyo ba? Hinahanap ko yung sapatos ko. Naglilinis siya sa banyo ng sapatos namin.
So finally, we are ready to traveling. Let's go.
Traveling with someone. Kayo Toretto.
Let's go.
Hoy, tara na. Let's go. Sana walang aberya. I hope everything will be okay. No problem, no anything. Safe. Yun, yung mga gamit namin safe. Basta ganun. Saida. As the police na, show them. Tara, maghanap namin yung namin. Train.
Yeah.
Hindi ka rin sabihin sa English. Salam. We're trying to find our, seat number. So, ayun. Maya pa naman yung train. I forgot that our train is 5 p.m. That we came early nga pala. So, we came early, so we're just gonna look for food, babe, no?
Yeah.
So, yung maghanap muna kami ng laps, kape, ganyan.
Hungry.
You're hungry now?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you're hungry now.
I just ready.
So, tara, maglakad-lakad tayo sa loob ng train station. Babe, 1 minute. Babe, scan per wifi. Jawa ako English. Wala lang, di ba pinagkakamalan siyang foreigner dito? Hinihingan din siya ng passport.
Hey sister, कौन सी चैनल के लिए बना रहे हैं?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube पे कोई नाम तो होगा ना?
K Torito.
जोर से बोलो.
K Torito.
किए तोरितो.
Yeah.
चाइना का.
And Use.
And
Kay Toretto.
ये फिलिपीन में K Torito लिखेंगे ना चैनल आज. K T-R-O.
Jawa ako pinapromote ako. Ganon dapat. Tulungan to. Babe, let's go na.
Yeah.
Mga batang Pakistani, pistahin. Babe, we need to find a food or seat somewhere. Chai. Yeah, but first look for the washroom, ha?
With the washroom?
No, but I need to know where the washroom is. Kailangan ko yan.
Important.
Yes. Mahal kita.
Mahal din kita.
Ay! Ang ganda mo, okay! Same channel. Kay Toretto.
नहीं
Ay!
दान कोई बात नहीं.
ये पाकिस्तानी देखते हैं आउट ऑफ कंट्री के लोग देखते हैं
लाइफ विद हसना. मेरे चैनल का नाम है लाइफ विद हसना.
Life with Hasna.
मेरे
I also make videos. Hoy, si Mother Earth pala gumagawa din ng video. So, Life with Hasna daw. Okay, they will show us the video. Let's go. May pa-video din naman pala sila. Let's go. Tara na. Shout out kay Mother Earth. Ang daming chika ni Mother. Ang bigat ng bag ko. Babe, kaya mo yan. Buti na lang may translator na ako ngayon.
स्माइल करें ना प्यारी सी
दांत टूटा हुआ है ना.
खैर है कि मुस्लिम बात नहीं
Thank you. Shukriya. Oh, sorry. Hoy, naghahanap ako ng possible laps namin mamaya ni Uzer. Hindi pa naman kami gutom, pero ay, shucks, mukhang may masarap na parata dito. Mukhang masarap. You have cheese parata? Cheese parata. Cheese parata na yun? Mamaya, ayun na. Basta nakakita na ako ng laps, pwede na yan. I found biryani. Busy siya, oh. They want to say hi daw, oh. Hello. Hi everybody, just to let you know, may mga kainan din dito ha, sa may train station sa Mosabib, no? Everybody, so eto, while waiting for our trains, just 30 minutes na, pero kain na kami very light. Just little eating. No need to eat. You don't like it? You like or no?
I like the taste but it's yakni.
Yeah.
Don't eat chicken.
It's yakni, no? Little only.
Tell him na.
Huh?
Tell me where you want this.
They will make hot?
Yeah,
Okay.
I told you.
That store.
Which one?
This one. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Ipapainit niya daw. Goods yan. Babe, they make it hot? No. Sure? Oh, let's eat na. Same.
Huh?
Same.
Really?
How did they make it hot? Same, right? Same? It's not cooked.
Huh?
It's not cooked. I cannot eat this.
I'll tell you more.
Ha?
Cannot.
You can eat? Don't eat na. Epic fail. Hindi luto yung biryani. Hindi pwede. Biyahe kami. We cannot get sick. We will eat good biryani in Karachi. Let's go. May excited siya sa biryani ng Karachi. Nakaka-orko. What's this, eh? Oy, baon namin.
Salamat be.
This is Francis' gift for us. Hello.
Hello guys. Amazing chocolate.
Fix. Let's go. You try first. This is with kunafa. Tignan mo yung mukha niya. Paano yung mukha? Oh.
It's very good.
It's really good. Hindi ako mahilig, pero go lang.
What do we eat after?
What? What?
Save him, no?
Finish this na.
Small bite, okay?
Tinumi mo ka na ba?
Small bite, okay?
Why?
That's enough.
Yung pinigil. Bas na, pero alam. How was that? Babe, it's not our train.
How much time?
4:30. Baka train na natin yun. Check.
What am I ask?
Sabi ko sa inyo, may dala akong bag ng pagkain.
You hungry? Sure.
Yeah. See? I'm eating na.
Same.
You're hungry now also? Gopro ng jowa ko.
Fix.
Baby, meron.
Of course.
Para ako may dala ng bag ni Doraemon, sa totoo lang.
Wait, no, babe.
Wait na, babe. Let's go, babe. Let's go, Chelsea. Hoy, nasa maling side kami naghihintay ng train shot. Shoot, buti may lumapit sa amin. Nag-approach lang siya. Sabi niya, saan kayo pupunta? Sabi namin, Karachi. Tapos sabi niya, sa kabilang side kayo. Sabi ko, hala, mami, laro. Nilalaro kami.
Guys, it's a prank.
It's a prank.
Yes.
Let's go, babe.
Go fast.
Hoy, let's go.
Oh, we're sitting wrong side and it's too much hot. We go another side.
Let's go. Shit, nasa wrong side kami.
Yes.
Babe, go.
Go fast, babe.
Sabi niya, babe, wait lang, babe. Kalma. Kalma ka. Let's go. I'm here, let's go. Shit.
Everybody. So finally, the train is come.
Babe, this is our train?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Sure ka? Ito yung train
This
natin.
is a Hazara Mushkil Guzara. Sorry.
Hoy, ito na yung train namin. Hindi ako happy pero go lang yan. For the experience, let's go, let's do it. Babe, which platform? My God. Whew. Shucks. Bigla kami napatakbo na wala sa oras.
I already searched him. Which one is?
Oh, kaya mo na, wala na tayong choice. Nandito na tayo.
Wow.
Nakakaloka. Shucks, ang dami nangyayari. Tara.
It's heavy.
It's heavy?
No, it's heavy.
Nabibigatan na siya sa bag, Shucks.
It's 12.
Wala.
Yeah, this one.
This one? Sure?
Yeah, sure.
Pero ito na raw kami. Shucks. Babe, ek minute. Oh my God. Good luck sa amin. Babe, I think this is not sleeper. Ay, shucks. Buti ka pa ako malaglag. Hala. Sleeper bus naman siya, kaso hindi ko alam. Ay, shucks. Kaya mo na, tiisin na namin to.
Zammil, aja. Take one.
Oops, sorry.
Of course, शुक्रिया. ठीक है यही.
This the one?
Yeah.
Huh?
I found it. Yeah, this one.
So it's not sleeping?
It's sleeping now.
How is it sleeping? Paano ito naging sleeping? Babe, how is it sleeping?
This is a 40. This is 41. This one and this one. Okay. Keep it.
Wait a minute. So this one also
Yeah.
us?
Yeah.
Okay, we keep our bag down, we stay up.
Huh? No. Back up.
Bag up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, go. And then your bag, there. Oh, shit. Sorry, nagkakagulo na everybody, Grabe yung train. Kala ko naman may privacy kaming mangyayari kahit paano. Oh, ayun na everybody.
How are you, everybody? So finally, we are come to the train, and we found my seat, and we keep the luggage, not bag, luggage, luggage.
Good luck.
And good luck. See you. Tata. Bye bye.
Kaya nakasakay na kami sa train, grabe yung stress ko. Na-stress ako bigla, mami ng malala. Nakita niyo ba na yung footage? Grabe, na-stress ako. Tapos may nakaupo pa ditong dalawang lalaki. They have ticket or no? They said no ticket?
The other one,
But he no ticket.
he
See?
don't have ticket.
Yeah. See, may isang lalaking sumakay na walang ticket. Umupo lang siya somewhere. Eh, ang daming security, they keep checking, lalo na foreigner ako. So we have to make sure na we travel safely and smooth. So of course, sino ba naman tayo para magpaalis, but we have to make sure to ensure our safety as well. Kasi kahit nga si User tinatanong, even the security is asking who's User, like what he's doing, why he's with me. So may mga ganun. Basic lang naman, like hindi naman aggressive yung question. You know, just to make sure that we are safe here. So ayun, we don't want that to happen to us. Kasi if he sit with us, maybe
Yes.
yung kalmado mong jowa. Gusto ko magalit minsan kasi pala nakikita ko yung mukha niya nakasmile tsaka nakatitig sa akin. Wala na. Okay na ulit lahat.
Tulog na tayo.
Tara na.
Tara
Because
na.
we are going somewhere.
Yeah.
Tara na.
Tara na.
Tara na.
Tara na.
Babe, you see what I see?
Guys,
May pagkain, guys.
eating is here, okay? I control myself, my emotions.
Yeah. And I cannot... How we sleep? This is my problem na how we sleep. Okay.
But where you sleep?
We will see later how we can sleep.
We have no ideas.
Yeah, later. So I don't know, to be honest guys, kung paano makakatulog dito. Pero let's see later. Malalaman natin mamaya yan, okay?
Hindi. Hello guys, how are you? This is me, Dad.
Babe, we have to save our battery. They don't have... Baho nung amin ng washroom.
It's,
It's okay. 30 hours, it's not okay.
it's too much hard, you know.
We can do this, babe. We can do this.
Inshallah.
Grabe, hindi ko alam kung nasan yung washroom, pero naaamoy ko na yung washroom. Sana hindi masyadong mabaho.
Guys, this traveling is not easy, okay?
So please
Please like,
share, and subscribe.
and bell icon, please.
A few moments later.
So finally, the train is started for move,
Yeah.
and
And what?
what happened? Nothing.
Hoy, the train has started na. Just now.
Just now.
Almost
it's just
30 minutes,
starting.
no?
Yeah.
Almost 30 minutes we wait bago umandar yung train. Train.
Train.
Mhm.
And now it's started.
Babe, how many hours
move.
ride?
Maybe 26-8 hours. We will travel.
Hoy, we're gonna be in this situation for like 28 hours. Babe, show the bed. This is the bed.
This is the bed.
Kikita nyo to, bed to. Ipo-fold lang. Ano lang yan mamaya. Good luck sa amin. We will share the full experience
Yeah.
of riding the train. Babe, we pray, no? We pray na again before we go. We pray na again.
So God,
Mm.
we will traveling together now, and safe traveling,
Traveling.
good health, and we reach tomorrow, inshallah, safe.
Yeah.
So
All our things also.
yeah,
I hope nothing bad
I
happens.
hope nothing bad happen. So you will enjoy the traveling.
Yeah.
We will together.
And
So guys, you understand now what I told you? It's my praying. We will traveling together all life, inshallah. Inshallah. Yes. It's a most special prayer.
thank you. Natatouch ako sa prayer mo.
You say Amin. So,
Sumami.
So finally, babies. They don't ask, but I. Wait, bro. Wait.
You also put? Nutella mixed fixed kunafa. If you buy this with this, sarap babe.
Like this?
With this, yes. Good. Okay, everybody, so we were able to take rest a little. Nagnap kami pareho. Mga ano lang naman, around 40 minutes. So later, we will give you a train tour on how this train looks like. So, ayun.
I was trained too.
Yeah. For now, we just need to take rest.
Yeah.
Mahaba-haba pa to. Tawa kami ng tawa. Sabi niya, ginawa niya sa akin ni Usera. I was using, kasi hindi ko pa ginagamit yung wash. Nag-ride kami. And then he told me na na the washroom. While he was using the washroom daw, he was thinking about what would my reaction be. The English is working. Sabi ko, okay lang, sarili naman ako mag-travel. Akala niya hindi ko raw mamamanage. Okay yung washer in fairness. Pero gumaganong-ganong ka lang habang nasi-CR ka. Nag-i-English 101 kami ni Uzer. So, did you name some things for this, babe? Ba'a.
Explain me. Buwa.
Aba'a.
Excuse me.
Can I have aba'a?
Can I have abo?
Hi everybody, good morning. So, ayan. It's almost tsura ko. Dama na yan. It's like 8 in the morning, but it's been a long journey, my God. Nakakapagod. Pero na-miss yung katawan ko yung ganitong biyahe. Feel so tired, but I kind of felt like my body also misses this kind of, kind of heavy traveling journey. Nakaloka siya. Okay, so ito si User. Sleeping. So, alam nyo ba, sobrang lamig, malala. Tsura namin, no? The reality of traveling. So, ito yung tsura ng bed namin, no? Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Dito ako, grabe. Kita nyo ba yan? Grabe, di ba? Nasa train stop kami ngayon, kaya ang daming pumapasok na mga mga nagbebenta. Okay, tingnan nyo kung paano ako papasok dito sa higaan na to. Tingnan nyo lang naman. Ganyan. Tapos gaganyaan ka, oh. Yan, ganyan, oh, tinan mo. Tapos si User, check siya sa akin, maya't maya. Sabi ko, matulog ka lang ng matulog, okay lang ako. Nag-worry siya sa hinihigaan ko. Sabi ko, sanay ako, 3 taon na ako nagtatravel. Kaya nakita mo, tulog na tulog siya ngayon. Kasi maya't maya niya ako chine-check. Kailangan pala English para maintindihan ni User. Kasi pinapanood niya tong vlog, is also watching this vlog now. So I need to speak full English from now on. My gosh. So User, since last night, I've noticed he has been checking my sleeping condition. So he has been like not sleeping properly. So I told him just to sleep. I can manage it. Don't worry about me because I have been traveling for 3 years now. Like, basic na lang to sa akin, sa totoo lang. Actually, mas worried pa nga ako sa kanya. To be honest, I am more worried about him because... Why, please comment down below. Let's appreciate and praise hers endurability. Why? Because this is not a joke. This is not even for first-timers. Like 30 hours train for your first bonggang travel. It's not a joke, everybody. Because again, we have been trying to... Di ba dito talaga ako nagkukwento habang nakasuksok ako dito? Because we have been trying to... He has been trying to book us a business class. But unfortunately, all business class were booked. And we have been delayed, like I mentioned yesterday. We have been delayed for almost, I think, 2 days na in Islamabad. I really thought that it's gonna be easy for us to book the business class, but yeah. So ayan, so everybody who's watching this, if you're coming from Islamabad, going to Karachi, and if you want to try the train ride, please book it ahead. 1 week or 2 weeks ahead. Tsura ko, oh. Natawa talaga ako sa itsura ko. O, tinan mo, oh. Grabe, oh. Pak. Okay, we are here now in Multan.
Okay, chai and brother chai.
Shout out natin once again, Adel family. Dahil as far as I remember, hello Adel. They live here in Multan. So this is what it looks like. The train station here in Multan, Pakistan. Again, let's shout out Adel family. Hello Adel, if you're watching this. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Multan. Bababa ko lang yung paa ko dito para lang ma-experience ko si Multan. O, ayan. O, Adel family, this is the Multan train station. Baka lang din yung pa po napupuntahan. Pero kung napuntahan nyo po, congrats. Wala lang, pakita lang natin. It's so very, very lamig. It's so very, very lamig. It's really, really cold right now. My God, I need to keep speaking English because Uzair, he's really watching all our videos. Literally, every second, every minute. So, I want him to understand this. So, tara na, pumasok na tayo. Gusto ko lang ma-experience yung Multan. So, ayan, Multan. This is egg. Cute na egg.
150.
Mahal naman yan. Mahal naman ng parato niya, tsaka egg.
1 minute. 1 minute dito.
Okay. 300. Okay lang yan. Importante garam. Kala nyo, mauuto nyo ako pag hindi malamig, ah. Ay, pag hindi mainit. Hindi ko bibilin yan pag malamig. Yung presyo, mga nagtitinda dito may ID. Oh, magparata muna tayo sa umaga habang tulog pa si Usay. Nasang dyaryo. But still a food, it's a blessing. Tandaan nyo yan. Lahat ng pagkain pa, nagka-travel kayo, it's a blessing.
So finally guys, we are come to the Khanpur. This is the Khanpur. And we can stay there 10 minutes for eating. Guys, it's too much hard traveling, okay? It's not easy. It's not easy. The train is going. So take care, Allah Hafiz.
So, ayun, finally, we both wake up. We both are awake. So, did you sleep well, babe?
Yeah.
Boy, grabe siya, you know, he was really, really tired. It was his first time to do non-stop. Hindi siya naghihilig. Hindi siya naghihilig, kanina lang, napagod sa biyahe.
Really, I'm too much tired.
Ouch! Around 10 to 12 more hours, we're gonna be on the train. And, ayun, okay naman yung biyahe. I mean, for someone who did this kind of traveling for 3 years, it was manageable. But let's ask someone na first time mag-travel, first time niya 30 hours agad.
Yeah.
How was the experience?
Now it's good, but after, I don't know.
No, can you manage it?
Yeah, I manage it.
You can manage?
Yeah.
No, kaya nang i-manage. Pero ako, like, if you're a new traveler, I wouldn't suggest you to do the 30-hour train travel. Unless batak ka sa Pinas, nag-hike ka, Or feeling mo talaga kaya mo, okay? Kasi maraming nangyayari in the middle of the journey. Like, may mga pamilyang sumasakay, bigla na lang umuupo, ihihiga yung anak, mabubunggo ka, dami nagkakalat, yung mga ganoon, baka may stress ka. So, simulan mo muna sa mga, start to something light muna, light travel, parang holiday travel muna. But, if you have what it takes, I still suggest not to do it para ma-experience mo. Yeah? What can you say about the whole experience of the train? Now
experience is good. Yeah, you traveling this train and you enjoying all moments.
Yeah. It's
But-
good experience, right?
But you still tired. You still tired only. But you enjoying all moment. Yeah.
I think if you're traveling with someone, this is good.
Yeah, you traveling with someone, it's good. You traveling alone, it's not. Okay.
Yeah, because you have to look after your bag all the time.
Yeah.
Like kami nito, sir, if someone goes to washroom, someone look after the bag. If someone is sleeping, someone is half sleeping. So mga ganun.
Be careful. Your other thinking. Okay. Yeah.
Buying food for us. Sabi ko, kahit anong sandwich, kaluhin na namin yan. Any kind of sandwich. Yung burger, dalian mo, asera, dalian mo. Takbo, sakay. Okay, ayun, nakasakay siya. Only one? What did you find for us na?
अभी उससे मैंने पैसे नहीं थे दिए ट्रेन चल पड़ी
Oh, may pwede na to kung ano man. Tinapay naman, itlog na naman. Why?
चेक लो
Why?
डन कर
Normal.
नॉर्मल
Bait na. Palipas ng gutom. Gennario.
It's a Shami kebab burger.
Spicy? No?
Really?
Yeah. Hi everybody, it's a quick stop. Ito yung itsura ko. Super sabog na itsura ko, but okay lang yan. 30 hours to, no? Sino ba magiging maganda sa 30 hours train sa Pakistan? May biryani. You think it's safe, no? Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya talagang kumain ng biryani sa ganito. Other food, that's safe.
हॉट वाटर
Hot water they have?
आई थिंक
Check.
नहीं हो रहा यार
Stress na kami. Gutom na kami, huy. Gusto namin ng kape. Yung malinis. Babe, get Lays. Bili na natin lahat. Pepsi, Lays, lahat. They have. It's working.
Look, front.
Yala.
You think it's only one shop, eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Kahit na may tsura namin, oh, haggard na kami pareho, mami. Babe. Lays. Coffee, babe. Oh, coffee. Or garampani. Let's go. Ano ba to? Pipitasin lang ba to, kuya? Ay, nalaglag.
Coffee कौन से
Sorry.
available?
Kinuha ko na lang, di ba? Tsaka isang spicy.
Huh?
Or
Cabbage sila?
comment down below kung itsura ko katanggap-tanggap pa ba?
Mas cabbage.
Parang ang sarap ng ginagawa nilang luto. Oh! Ah, coffee. What is this?
Come here.
Hindi pa tapos, babe. Picture. Mamaya na, gutom na kami. Parang awa nyo na. Oh, cappuccino? Sure, this is cappuccino?
कम है
Ay, walaikum assalam.
पाकिस्तान
Yeah, Sindabad. Ayun, yakni. Maybe you want Pepsi or no?
No.
Decide na, hindi niya daw gusto. Nakaka-stress ko jowa ko. O hindi niya raw gusto. Ganun lang. Diba? Madali siyang kausap.
इसमें गर्म पानी.
O di hindi mo gusto.
नहीं इसमें नहीं आएगा
Unlimited ako. Ano na pinagkukuha ko? Bayaran mo na.
अबे पैसे दे दूंगा भाई.
What is this? Taste natin. Parang lasa. Tikman mo.
ब्राउन शुगर है. ब्राउन शुगर है.
Chini. Okay, promise yung itsura ko. Sorry naman ha. Sa comment section na tayo mag-usap-usap. Bahala na. May taste like water. I will put my own coffee. It's okay, keep it.
ये ले.
Carry lang yan. Sabi ng asawa ko. Baby, love me.
Yes, of course, love you.
Hindi ka siya nagsasawa. Minuminuto ko siyang ginaganon. Sabi niya sa akin, bakit mo ko tinatanong? Sabi ko, napapagod ka na ba? Gano'n niya ako tinanong ulit. Ganun dapat. Manap ko ng jowa, hindi napapagod sa'yo. Kahit ganito itsura mo. Okay, everybody, just so you know, it's gonna be my first ever time to be somewhere near to Karachi. And this is how it looks like, the place. So magulo, so chaotic. And you know, I love that, right? Hello, how are you? Pak, alam niya yan, gustong-gusto ko to. Tara na, babe.
Okay,
May
come.
Pepsi. Okay, I'm just making sure may Pepsi is still here. Let's
So
go.
where we go now?
Home. Babe, uwi na tayo. Babe, say,
But
uwi na tayo.
home is too much long, huh?
30 hours again.
30 hours, yeah, maybe.
Kaya mo, babe, you can still manage it. Slowly na.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice water.
Nice one. Gusto namin ng kanin, kaso hindi nakakatakot. Oh, ito, little tour tayo ng ganyan yung kaguluhan at the moment para lang alam ninyo. Kaya pag nakababa yung camera, alam nyo na ha, may mga Merly. At biglang may mga tumabi sa aming pamilya.
You sit here, I will come.
Where you go? Philip me?
Huh?
Philip me?
No.
Nakikita niyo yung mga pabebe ko, Shaq? Sorry naman. Aktibo yung mga pabebe ko. Ganyan talaga yung mga gusto ng mga lalaki. Diba? Gusto nila yung mga bebe girl. Late bloomer pala ako sa relationship. Hindi ako late bloomer. Iningatan ko lang yung puso ko. So I have been reading comments like, why did I finally decided to be in a relationship? I felt it. Ganda. Diba? Because I felt it. That's the answer. Sabi nila, you've been into like, date, you dated like, few guys. Eh, ngayon ko lang na-feel eh. Kasalanan ba yun? Charas. Nakapagkape din. Hoy, kahit yung kape nila lasang asukal, okay na yan. I'm just gonna put my own coffee here. Kung ano-ano pinagkukuha ko, bahala na. Ayoko kasing magutom kami. Still not cooked. Cooked? Cook now?
Before 15 hours. First time you like.
Yeah. The first time I did this. It's so good.
खाओगी ना आप?
Alam niyo ba yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya? Mahilig din siya sa bata. Hoy, kahit pulubin niya, yakap siya kahit hinahalikan niya.
You started?
Yeah.
Why not?
More than... Yeah. I think una totoong pagkain namin. Now you trust me, next time we bring this again, right?
Before 15 hours.
Hoy, everybody, just happening. It's almost like 5 and 30 minutes before 6 p.m. So we still got like 4 more hours to go before we reach Karachi. Gosh, this is really one of the longest train I've ever ride. Napagod na siyang kakaupo. Babe.
Hi everyone.
Everybody.
I come back.
Where did you go?
The washroom.
Ang laming magsalita, di ba? Gusto ko mapagod. Kaso pa nagsasalita siya, nawawala na yung pagod ko. The police thinking, babe, you are Chinese.
Yeah.
He asked you also?
Listen now. They see me show me ticket na. Then I showing na. He say me, okay, good.
Anyways, I'm enjoying it because I'm with my friend.
Who?
Special friend.
Only
What?
friend?
I don't know. What?
So guys, you tell me who I am.
Friend. Your friend. You're my friend.
You sure?
I will ask the administrator. Everybody will see you, I think 3 more hours. Nag-nap kami, pero I wasn't able to take a nap. Tapos yung train stop namin dito, sobrang daming mabibili. So, ayan. Pero, he doesn't want to buy us any rice. He doesn't want to risk our health. You know how sensitive I am. Dahil inalagaan niya na ako minsan. Remember, babe, when I was sick before? He was the one who was taking care of me for a few days, almost 4 days. All my medicines, siya naglalagay niya sa akin. Ay, naman talaga, babe. Love you.
Love you too. Sure.
2,000 years later.
So finally, guys.
We have finally arrived. Finally, ito na to. Tsura namin. Hindi ko na ma-imagine. Pero, okay na yan. Tara na. So, welcome to
Karachi.
Let's go. Tara. Wala na yung tsura namin. Sorry na. Bagsak na kami talaga. This is the dirtiest bag ever. Grabe yung alikabok. Grabe yung dumi ko. Hayaan mo na. Marami-rami kami nilinisin ni User pagbalik ng bahay. Ready, babe?
Yeah.
So, ito na. We have finally arrived here in Karachi. After how many hours, babe? More than 30?
33 hours.
And this is also her first ever madalang travel with me. So, babe, thank you. I love you.
Thank you so much.
For 33 hours. Yung itsura namin, grabe. Babe, careful ah.
Yeah.
Wait, me first. Oh my God. Oh my God na lang yun nasabi ko. Oh my God.
Come.
Let's go.
Let's go. So finally, we are.
Babe, you make me so proud. I'm so proud. You made me so proud.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you, babe.
I'm so proud of you too. This is 33 hours.
Yeah.
Malalang 33 hours to everybody. Walaikum assalam.
So finally, 33 hours, we are traveling together and we are too much
Tired.
tired together.
Together, yeah. At least
Yeah.
together.
At
So,
least together.
where's the exit, babe?
I tell you, but first we make a vlog now.
It's finished now.
Okay.
See it now.
So, oh.
Yeah, we're gonna battery. This is the last 1 minute.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe,
Subscribe.
bell icon, share more.
Babe, again, welcome to
Karachi.
Karachi.